And I actually saw that the Nasdaq earlier was actually had gone there because of this and the other kind of this, that, and the other thing. This is actually negative on the day. And wait a minute, I thought we had a big stock market rally going on. What the hell's going on here? So this is a really good example of like all these crazy ass cross currents. This is not an easy market to be participating in, boys and girls. It is not. I think I started off the conversation today, right? In bull markets, everybody makes money. It's so easy to make money. You have to be an idiot not to be able to make money in a bull market. But in bear markets, this is just grind central. And I was kind of surprised because in essence, this now, because this low is broken through that's an M top there, boys and girls. So this whole idea of an inverted head and shoulders, see you later, that's gone. And I don't know what the hell's going on here. This looks trend continuation, like it wants to head lower. If we change this to a line chart, notice, hey, where did the bull go? I don't see any W's. See a big fat M that just came in there. So difficult market conditions. If anything, don't get sucked into, all right, this is one directional. I just buy, hold, and I can close my eyes and not even stress. No. Risk on proxies, fascinating how, our little Dow trade here, which the signal was just the back about geez, how long ago was that now? Just 2 or 3 weeks ago, eh? This is an absolutely perfect signal. And more importantly for you people, any of you that actually get to use the website, this was literally, actually, I think the Dow one's even better. This signal was just absolutely perfect. So notice that's September 30th, October 3rd. Can you see the W there? And then more importantly, can you see the W in the teal? I mean, just what a turn there. Holy free holies. So market pivots back up October 3rd. We're back up here now. Everything's rocking and rolling. And so what was the price action on that September 30th, October 3rd event? Well, it turns out that is right there. It's actually the bottom of the market. Incredible. I don't know whether I would have had the balls to take that, but I'll tell you, this is, if anything, what a great analogy of these engulfing bar signals. If you can incorporate engulfing bars and even candle body engulfing bars into your analysis, wow, you can do really well in this world. Me, I would have probably been a little more chicken. And I remember as we were sort of working our way here, kind of scolding myself, geez, I can't get long. And then all of a sudden, in comes this crazy ass cup and handle. And I actually think that's not an unrealistic trade. Obviously, the going long off the bottom here was the trade. So cup and handle fires, boom, up we go. And it's interesting how now, if we look at the breadth indicator, we see we got major warning signs here. Just be careful, people. When we see breadth look like this, should we be overly optimistic? Should we be uber bullish? And I think, unfortunately, the answer is an unequivocal no. So that's one thing that really surprised me with the stock market rally this morning. That really caught me by surprise. And then lo and behold, look at what's happened here. The Dow's actually only up 20. This thing was up like almost 1,000 points earlier this morning. What the hell's going on here? But interestingly enough, I think the breadth indicator was the one thing that sort of kept us honest. And look at this. Even the Dow, the ES futures are now negative on the day. Look at that wild price action all through today. If we had done this video 2 or 3 hours ago, this would have been a massive green dildo. So, what a mess, eh? I mean, it's awfully tough to just sort of blindly believe in an indicator like this. But I'll tell you, this one message here was just sort of like, you know what? Don't get suckered into any bull runs here. This is trappy.